Hi friends, it's Solo's Creative Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make some hot glue molds out of hot glue using silicone molds, and I'm also using the Ranger melting pot. And I have a little container of ice cubed water, and I'm going to show you how to make these fun molds. The one thing you'll notice about these molds is that using the mica powder or these luminaire paints still makes the piece translucent. I'll show you what I mean. Now this one here, I put an epoxy head on it, so you'll see you can't shine through the head. The head is opaque, but the rest of the body is translucent. But when you put it on a solid background, it's pretty nice. But they are translucent. I like that look better than the opaque, heavy acrylic paint because I think it sits on the piece too heavily. So let's show you how to make this. Some coral. I like the hot glue mold as well because they're also flexible. Let me show you how to make these. You don't actually put the glue in the mold. You actually put the hot glue on the surface and then you press the mold into the hot glue. So let's get started and I'll show you how I make these. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can hit that notice and it'll let you know when I update more videos, which is my intentions, because I'm also going to be doing some fake jewelry boxes with a theme of desserts, like fake cakes and such. So I have some supplies coming, and I'll do an unboxing if I find anyone interested. So let me get this set up and we'll get started. And again, thanks for watching. So I have the glue pot ready. I'm going to go ahead and put some bits of hot glue stick, and on your pieces that you've already made a mold and you don't like it, you can throw that in there too. So we'll put this on, and then when it gets a little bit melted down, we'll go ahead and add this. This is called Red Dragon, and this is a glitter and embossing powder by Stampin' Stuff. It's pretty old. Got a lot of old stuff here. Actually got this in 2008 at a craft show. So we'll go ahead and put the lid on, and when it melts down, we'll go ahead and start our project. So let's go ahead and look into the pot and see how it's melting down. Yes, it's almost there. So we'll go ahead and add some of this embossing powder. And we'll give it a stir. Turn this down a little bit. Okay, and let's go ahead and get the mat ready. So I have the mold ready. I'm going to go ahead and use this mold right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the melted wax, we're going to put it on this silicone mat and press the mat on top of it. So one of the reasons why I have that cold water is because then I can just take this wax here and peel it off and save it to be remelted. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this and put it on the mat. I'll go ahead and take this container of cold water. I'll actually put it on there. And that's it. And then what I'll do is I'll take this big chunk of ice right here, and then I'm going to rub it on top of the mold to fast set it. So much easier to take these off these silicone spatulas. There it is. Now of course these are a lot thicker, but I'm going to show you also how you can remove these holes without having to cut. So we use a glue gun for that. We sit it on the mold. Oh no, the glue gun we'll use to remove these little extra pieces here, like this. Go around and clean it up. That chunk is a little too big for that. You can just cut that down. And then what you do is you stick it in the water, and that will harden it up. And then we'll take a glue stick and we'll get these little holes taken out. I have to warm the glue stick up, but I can show you here. Let me go ahead and put some mica powder on here so you can see the fish, and then this extra glue piece here, we'll go ahead and take that off. So we can just take some of this lemon. You can see it's starting to come alive. And I'll show you how to get rid of these pieces right here. Okay, that's cooled off. So that's how you can get the little pieces taken off. I cleaned it up a little better for you to see. And here, how I get these opened up, let me show you. I actually take this tip here and not pressing the nozzle. I just go inside these little cracks until the heat opens it up. If you have it on the surface and you do it like this, it's a lot easier. But I just wanted to show you. So you can see the opening on that. You can cut off this excess here, or you can just open it up as well. The glue guns didn't get hot enough. I just put it on. First, I wanted to show you how you can open it up. You do right here. We'll open it up right here. There you go. You do it right here. Okay, and then you can put some mica powder or a luminaire paint on it and bring it out. So let's go ahead and do that. I also did this mold right here. It's also the same way that I did that coral. Let's get some mica powder and go ahead and put that on there. lot more mica powder, but of course, when you need it, you can't find it. So I have this color. You can see it coming to life. So that's the start of it. And then once you get all this mica powder on there, you do have to put a sealant on it so it doesn't come off on your hands. So that's how I make these wax, like glue molds. I also will show you how to make the hot stick into pliable, like almost where you can mold it into the silicone mold. But that'll be on the next video. So I hope you join me. Until then, have a great day, and thanks for watching. Appreciate ya. Bye for now.